which I've grown up wearing. I think it's very special, and when I saw their collection, in fact, I've been to London also and shopped there, Oxford Street. And I think this collection is really special. It's Spring Summer 2015 Marks and Spencer Reliance collection, which I think is very trendy. It's very young, beautiful. Love the prints, love the colors, the fabrics. So it was really special, and I saw it backstage. The whole show, I think it was really nice, spectacular.
Can you tell us 5 must-have the girl must have in a summer collection?
Must be 5. No, it's too less. There's a lot more. I think when it comes to me, I like it. I think a pair of blue jeans and a white shirt, I think never fails. Especially, I think when it comes to summers, I think cotton fabrics work really wonders. And I think I like to keep it very minimal. Not too much, not clothes which have too much busy work on it. I think I love more pastels. I love more floral prints. I really like, in fact, your the autograph collection, which I'm wearing right now at Marks and Spencer, which is very cool. I think the fabric is it's very premium. It's very comfortable. At the same time, it looks very floral and girly, and it's very light. You know, it's very soothing to your eyes. So I won't put in 5 must-haves because it's done to death now. I'll just talk about what we hear today.
Would you like to say something about association with Yami?
We're really thankful to Yami for coming over and spending the evening with us. She's absolutely gorgeous on the ramp, and obviously she looks absolutely wonderful. Thank you.
What is your next film?
So pictures जरूर बात करते हैं और पूछ ही लिया तो that's called Sanam Re. That's releasing in Valentine's. That's been directed by Divya Kumar Khosla, and it's the T series. It's opposite Pulkit Samrat, and we're still in the middle of shooting.
Yami, Yami, yours and Pulkit Samrat, both of that one has been hitting the high.
I can't hear that question, sorry.
Yami, how much are you brand conscious? Like, you know, what is comfortable you?
I'm a very regular girl. I'm a Chandigarh girl, and I love as much as I would like to go for a high-end, shopping, and of course Marks and Spencer is definitely one of them. I love street shopping as well. Whenever I get a chance to go back home in Chandigarh, I make sure that the street markets. I definitely take a round, and so my wardrobe will always be a mix of brands and street shopping as well.
Which is your favorite piece from the 2015 Spring Summer collection by Marks and Spencer?
I think the one which I'm wearing right now, I think that's why I chose it. I like the fact that it fits really well, the fabric is really comfortable, and it's something which is very wearable, not just for a showstopper outfit, but also for any of you. So that's something which I really liked.
Yami, like when we see other actresses, they are regular on Lakme Fashion Weeks and are you particular while choosing your brand?
No, I've been away for 4 months, in fact, for shooting back-to-back for Sanam Re and one more movie called Junooniyat with T-Series. So I've been shooting in Pelgaon, Srinagar, Patiala, Chel, Shimla, the whole of North. I'm a North Indian, but I've not seen more of North in my life that I've seen in the past 4 months. So I've just come back a week back, and as soon as I was back, I was like, it's time to now hit the ramp and just get going again, Bombay.
आप nervous होती हैं? कुछ मन में घबराहट होती है जब आप ramp पे
Of course, definitely होती है, बहुत होती है, and they're all the models here. I think they're professionals. They walk so well with so much gait and poise. पर हल्का सा तो वो रहता है, I won't lie कि अच्छा what if I trip over or something. But luckily it's never happened.
But यामी आपने पूरे देश को गोरा बनाने की ठान ली है लगता है.
अच्छा, मतलब अभी छोड़ेंगे नहीं हम. नहीं, I think उसमें एक और शब्द है lovely. Lovely बनाना है सबको.
पर आप इसमें कामयाब हो पाई हैं?
I think let's talk about the event. It's really done to that. And trust me, जो it should just be taken as a brand. It should not. We should जितना आप ज़्यादा पूछेंगे, जितना ज़्यादा बात करेंगे, आप खुद ही उसको इतना तवज्जो इतना highlight कर रहे हैं. So let's just take it as a brand. It's just a part of my work. It's part of my job. I'm not endorsing anything when I'm not working or anything on such platforms. So that is right now is Yami, the person that I am. So I'm just speaking my heart. I think let's just stick to this event and let's all be lovely.
Yami, do you feel like the Bollywood celebrities are taking over the ramp?
Mr. Nair is going to get really bored. So unless it's something to do with Marks and Spencer, we can't do it. I better hear from Mr. Nair now.
You are the celebrity. Carry on.
Do you feel like like you being a showstopper, do you feel like the fashion may also Bollywood has come into it actually? Because previously we had to have fashion was थोड़ा अलग होता था, Bollywood अलग होते थे. अभी showstoppers you can see.
I think integration जहाँ तक की बात आ रही है वो काफ़ी चीज़ों में हो रहा है जैसे fashion और films में. I think they've always gone hand in hand. सिर्फ पहले रैम्प शोज नहीं होते थे, अब ऑफ कोर्स इतने फैशन वीक्स होते हैं, so you get to see, and I think काफ़ी influence होता है of fashion, because as an audience, as a normal girl who's watching a film, I remember I used to get influenced, oh my god, that actress is wearing that, and that suddenly next पूरा मैं shopping करने जाती थी, पूरा street भरा होता था वैसे से patterns से, so I think it's always in some way or the other, it's always influenced, but now I think it's happening more on bigger, better platforms and such formal platforms, so like we have Marks and Spencer's, and I think people relate a lot. It's not about being a celebrity, it's about being that face, that personality which suits the brand and how people relate to it. So it makes it easy.
Apart how do you see your market also? How competitive and
Marks and Spencer has been in India for a long time now, and I think we are one of the largest international brands in the country. We have 48 stores today, over 650,000 square feet, present in 18 cities. So I think we have truly penetrated into a number of cities and towns of the country. We compete with the other international brands in all the countries that we trade in. We actually are present in 54 countries, and in pretty much most of these countries, these brands are there. We are known for what we are. We have some absolutely fantastic product, combined with the innovation that's there in our products, and of course the service that we offer, I think makes us stand apart, and that's why we have been as successful as we are in the country.
Yami, apart from the fact, Yami, apart from endorsing the product, would you like to associate yourself with a social cause, like lots of actresses come up with their videos for a message, like Deepika?
I have an associate with PETA. I have an associate, in fact, I was there in Delhi some time back to formally announce that India is a polio-free country. So I was one of the speakers there, along with a lot of dignitaries. So I do try, of course, and I'd like to take up definitely a notch higher. For example, I'm from Himachal, and I'd really like to do something for my state as well. I mean, not just, I won't keep it just a state-centric social cause, but when I'll come up with something really concrete and not just to make, come in headlines and just glamorize, oh, I'm doing this and that. I will come up very strongly to it. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.